In a large bowl, I have 3 bags of frozen peaches. It's just a 16-ounce bag. You can use 2 to 3 bags depending on how many peaches you want. Now I'm going to add a 1/3 cup of white sugar, a 1/3 cup of tightly packed light brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Now I'm using this 100% lemon juice in the bottle, but you can also squeeze a fresh lemon. So here's my mixture, and I'm just going to stir this all together until it's well combined. So now you want to put this in a 425-degree oven for 10 minutes. Okay, so in my bowl I have 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. To that I'm going to add 1/3 cup of brown sugar, 1/3 cup of white sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1 stick of unsalted butter. So you want to mix this until your mix becomes crumbly, like this. Now you want to take a 1/3 cup of boiling water. Now we're just going to stir this until combined. Okay, so I have a small bowl here, and I'm going to take 4 teaspoons of white sugar, and 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon. So now we're just going to take our mixture and spoon it over our peaches. Now I'm not going to use all of it because that's a lot.